Imagine you've just invested your hard-earned money into Stash, a popular investment app. You're excited about your financial future, but there's one question that keeps nagging at you. Which bank does Stash use to hold your money? This is a legitimate concern. After all, your money is your money, and you want to know it's safe and secure. Stash, being a financial technology company, doesn't have its own physical bank. So, how does it handle your investments? Let's dive into the details. Understanding Stash's partnership. Stash has a strategic partnership with Apex Clearing Corporation. Apex is a member firm of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. This means they're subject to strict regulations and oversight, ensuring your investments are protected. How does Apex work with Stash? When you invest through Stash, your funds are transferred to Apex. They act as a custodian, holding your investments in a secure and segregated account. This means your money is separate from Stash's operating funds, providing an extra layer of protection. The benefits of Apex partnership. Partnering with Apex offers several advantages for Stash and its users. Regulatory compliance. Apex ensures that Stash adheres to all relevant financial regulations, protecting investors' interests. Security and protection. Your investments are held in a segregated account, reducing the risk of loss or misuse. Access to a wide range of investments. Apex provides Stash with access to a diverse range of investment options, allowing you to build a well-diversified portfolio. Efficient trade execution. Apex's infrastructure enables Stash to execute trades quickly and efficiently, minimizing transaction costs. Addressing common concerns. While the Apex partnership offers many benefits, it's natural to have questions. Here are some common concerns and their answers. Is my money FDIC insured? While Apex doesn't have FDIC insurance, it offers SIPC protection. This covers up to $500,000 per account, including $250,000 in cash. Can I withdraw my money at any time? Yes, you can typically withdraw your money from Stash at any time, subject to certain withdrawal limits and potential fees. What happens if Stash goes out of business? In the unlikely event that Stash were to cease operations, your investments would be transferred to another brokerage firm, ensuring your funds remain accessible. So, to answer the question, Stash uses Apex Clearing Corporation as its custodian. This partnership provides Stash with the necessary infrastructure, regulatory compliance, and security measures to protect your investments. By understanding the relationship between Stash and Apex, you can have greater confidence in the safety and security of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.